Hi, this is a quick correction to the previous video. So the add-ons that you're going to be making, so I went to Edit, Preferences, and then I have under add-ons, so over here, I'm going to be searching for Node Wrangler. That's going to be this one here, so I'll activate that. Might take a while for that box to check. And the other one, if I search for mesh, let's search for extra instead. The other one that I'm looking for is this add mesh extra objects. So that's another thing that I'm using. You won't need to use that yourself, but if you're interested, we might talk a little bit about that. The last one that I want to do is in this key map section. So for the spacebar action, I just want you to have this spacebar action set to not play, but set it to search. Okay, that's all.